Welcome back to another vlog. Today's another content day. I'm so excited. So it's about 11 o'clock and Alexis will be meeting up with me around 12, so in about an hour. I just got done making myself breakfast and we're gonna film some reels, some TikToks. We wanna try to do the beer poster challenge. This challenge is a little old, but we've been wanting to do it for a while now, so we're gonna do that today. That's the first thing that we're gonna do. It's where you pretty much model your man's favorite beer in a sexy bikini. So I'm excited to see how that goes. No one should be at the pool right now. I hope no one's at the pool because it's usually busy on the weekends, and it'll be a little embarrassing if there's someone there because people love to stare for some reason. I don't know about you guys, but my mama taught me manners and I don't like to stare. We're gonna make it happen regardless, but I am praying that the pool is gonna be empty. Make sure you're following me on TikTok and on Instagram, and make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. For breakfast, I made this viral breakfast cookie in the air fryer. I made this in my last vlog, but it's so good. It's delicious. There's only a few ingredients: bananas, oatmeal, protein powder, cinnamon, chocolate chips, chef's kiss. Okay. The moment of truth. Ooh. Uh-oh. It's a little wonky, but I think I probably shouldn't have stuck it to the phone like that. I can kind of see it. It looks a little funky, but oh well. I also want to make 2 viral recipes. One of them is a no-bake key lime bar. So apparently it's only 5 ingredients and it only takes 5 minutes. So I got all the ingredients for this yesterday. This is the second recipe I want to make. They're these zucchini boats filled with rice and shrimp cooked in the air fryer. It looks delicious. I only need 1 more ingredient to make this, which is sriracha. I was looking everywhere for it yesterday. I saw it last week. I saw sriracha in a store last week. I forget which one it was. Maybe it was Wegmans, but I haven't gone to Wegmans. I went to Walmart and then I went to Harris Teeter, and neither of them had sriracha. I guess there's a sriracha shortage again. She said she mixed the sriracha with vegan mayonnaise, which I have the vegan mayonnaise, but if I can't find the sriracha, I'm just gonna buy sriracha mayo. So they sell that at the store. So it's pretty much the same thing. But yeah, I'm excited. Those recipes both look really good. I have all the ingredients for both of them except the sriracha. So I'm gonna eat my breakfast and then Alexis should be here any minute. I love our content days. That's good. There she is. We're going to the post office first. Hey, beautiful.
Hi, sexy.
I was like, I hope this is her.
We're back again.
We're back for another content day.
You look so cute in your
Thanks,
outfit.
babe. I'm returning this dress from Shein because it was too small. I'm gonna try to order a medium, but it's so pretty. Her man's favorite beer is the Voodoo Ranger. IPA gang, where you at? All right, here we go. Wow. Yay!
Oh god. Really good.
That's a wrap. Yours are really good too, girl. Yours is hot. We finished the beer trend. Now we're gonna rinse off. We're about to get some content for Alexis's Instagram. So I'm gonna take some pictures of her at this crosswalk. And it's about to rain right now.
Hopefully we get it quick.
It's about to storm, so we gotta be quick. Just took these pictures of her.
I love them. She did such a great job. Oh, look at that eye. Side eye. Bitch face. Bite. Yay, I love them.
It's about to be 4 o'clock. Alexis had to go get ready for work. We didn't end up making any TikToks because she forgot a shirt that I wanted her to wear. We both have a matching Justin Bieber shirt for this TikTok, so I think we're gonna do that either this weekend or next week. But the main focus was getting those pictures at the pool, and we nailed it. I'm so excited to edit them and put the label on them and get them printed out. It's a surprise. I haven't told my husband yet, so really excited for that. We're keeping it a secret. They came out really good though, and it was a lot of fun, so I'm glad we did that. And I went and got the sriracha mayo. I just checked the mail and I got these On It pills. I got these for free because my husband and I have been taking the Alpha Brain one. I've heard a lot of people raving about this. So Joe Rogan is the co-founder, and this one is for memory and focus. I really like taking these. They are a little pricey. When we purchased these off of Amazon, it came with a free voucher for a smaller bottle because we got the bottle with the 90 capsules, but you get a free bottle with 28 capsules. And this one is the sport version for daily energy support. I think I'm gonna take one right now because I still have some content to film. I'm gonna make those 2 recipes right now. So I'm gonna take one. Let's see. Oh my God, see? So this comes with 28 capsules, but it says the serving size is 4 capsules. Like, really? This one comes with 90 capsules, but at least the serving size is just 2. So I'm supposed to take 4? At one time. Let's see. Take 4 capsules 45 minutes prior to exercise, competition, or occasional energy support, preferably on an empty stomach. I'm like, well, I'm not about to exercise or do a competition. I mean, occasional energy support. I guess I'm just gonna take 2 pills for now and see what happens. 4 is a lot. I am going to make the dessert first, just so I can put that in the fridge. I also got a package from DH Gate that I have been waiting on. Long story short, I ordered this purse at the end of last year and it never came. And if you've ever ordered off of DH Gate, you know that their purses come from China. And usually it takes a while, but I ordered a Prada bag that never came. So I got a refund for it and I never reordered it. It's the popular basic black Prada purse. So I've just been thinking about it and I reordered it like 3 weeks ago. So it finally came in the mail and I'm going to unbox it right now. So I paid $37.71 for this bag. This one doesn't look like it came in a box like the other purses I've ordered before did. So this is not my first time ordering from DH Gate either. So this is the dust bag. All right. I'm like, hold up, where are the straps? They're inside. So, looks like this. I'm gonna take this off. This is funny. Oh, well, I like how it comes with like a little airbag in here to hold its shape. Here's the strap. You get all of your... Oh my God, this is so funny. DH Gate is crazy. It's really, honestly, kind of crazy because each bag will usually come with authentication cards or papers. Like this one right here. It's like the tag. What's in here? In here, there's like, it's like an envelope and it has authenticity certificate card. Like what? Like this is card. What? Here's the strap. Says Prada. Okay, the chain's in here. Oh, there we go. There. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, I think I did it. Ooh. There's like a little keychain in here. Like if I wanted to pull it down, I think I could. Let's see. There we go. All right, well, that's the whole bag. It's cute. This is the inside. I love this. I don't have like a basic black bag. I used to have one, but I tossed it because it was just old. It was like my work purse, but I like how it has this. So when I'm not using it, I can just stuff it in there. See, it fits my phone comfortably. Yeah, there's still a lot of room. If you're interested in the bag, I will leave the link to the seller in the description box. I love it. I can't wait to wear this on my next couple of trips. And it feels sturdy, so now let's make those viral TikTok recipes. So these are all the ingredients. I got the whipped cream because I saw her put whipped cream on them and they looked delicious. I'm gonna make a reel and post it on all of my social platforms, so make sure you're following me. I don't know if the shrimp she used was cooked or not because she didn't say, but the shrimp I have are already pre-cooked, so I'm probably just gonna leave it in for maybe 5 minutes instead of 10. But the seasonings taste delicious. I already tried one, so I'm gonna prep the zucchini next. This is a really quick recipe, really easy. I did it. Okay, taste test. Let's try it. Cheers. It's delicious. The rice is freshly cooked. It's nice and hot. You get the crunch from the cucumber. There's a lot of flavor from the seasonings that we added to the shrimp. And I love the sriracha mayo. I'm so excited to taste the dessert. It's about 7:30. I'm so full. I ate more than I should have, but it was really good. I cleaned up and I'm about to go to the gym right now to walk for about 30 minutes. I've been doing this thing that I've been seeing trending on Instagram. It's where you walk at an incline of 12 at the speed of 3 miles an hour for 30 minutes. And it's a good workout. So I'm gonna do that since I haven't really done anything else as far as working out goes today. My husband and I usually go to the gym, but he's taking the day off today, so I want to move my body, and then by the time I get back, the dessert should be ready. I'm really excited. It's looking good. I love this sweater I just got from Shein. It says Wife Life. It's actually pretty comfortable. I got it in a large because I like it oversized, and then I have my hat that says Wife Vibes. So I'm just wifed out these days. So let's go get this workout in so I can feel a little bit better about myself today. I got a good sweat. Now it's time for dessert. That's the part of my dessert. All right, they're beautiful, ready to go. I have my hubby to come help me do a taste test. I feel like I didn't add enough butter to the graham cracker crust because it's kind of flaky and falling apart, but can you grab one?
Let's try.
Okay. Cheers. Oh, I think it's gonna flake. Be careful, the bottom is like gonna fall apart, I feel like. All right. Cheers.
Okay.
Mmm. I got whipped cream on my nose.
Oh, bitch.
Good, huh? Mmm. That's really good. What would you rate this?
20 out of 10.
Damn. You hear that? Mmm. Mmm. Yeah, this is really good, actually. All right, well, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I had so much fun today. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it. Don't forget to follow me on TikTok and on Instagram, and make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next one.